What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back again with another install. This time we're going to be installing the StartX remote starter kit. I've been wanting this for a while, and I've been watching some videos on YouTube. Looks super easy to install, so I figured let's see how easy it is, and I'm going to go ahead and have my son help me get this installed. So let's go ahead and get this set up and we'll get this remote starter installed. Alright guys, so here we are underneath the truck. We're going to go ahead and get this StartX remote installed. So what I want you to do, son, right here is you should see this OBD2 port right here. You should see a little clip right back here. What I want you to do is press this clip up and then pull this cable out.
Okay. It's out.
You got it out? Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this harness right here, and I want you to plug this part of the harness into this cable right here that you pulled out. So I think it's going to go that way. No, you're right. Go ahead and turn the harness around. And then go ahead and get it plugged in.
Okay. There we go. It's clicked in.
Perfect. So now what you're going to do is where you took that other one out, you're going to plug this one right into that port.
Okay, that one's in too.
Got it. All right, go ahead and come on out. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and get this thing programmed. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hold down this button, and then we're going to plug in the black cable here. And then once the LED lights light up all blue, we're going to plug the white one into here. So go ahead and grab that black cable. Okay, I got it held down, so go ahead and plug it in.
Which way, this one?
Yeah. All the way?
There we go.
Alright. So let's wait till we see a solid blue LED light. Alright, so it's solid blue. So now go ahead and take the white one and plug it in on this side. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Got that plugged in. Alright, so now with that plugged in, all we have to do next is, let me find out what I did with the key. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the key, and then we're going to turn on the key 2 clicks. So you can see right here. So 1, 2. And then what we're looking for now is for it to flash, and then it should go off. Make sure, sorry, had to turn it on one more. Alright, so the blue LED lights are flashing, so let's go ahead and turn this off. So since you installed it, what I'm going to let you do is all you're going to do is hit lock, unlock, lock, and let's see if it starts up. Lock. Takes a second. And there you have it, guys. That easy to install the Remote X. So if you like the video, like I said, I'm going to have more videos coming out pretty soon. But hit the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys checking out the videos. Thanks.